Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers Team, out here with a Day 2 update in Belton, Missouri. We are rapidly getting the excavation done on our King Pier II holes. You can see the footing right here. We're already at it, so we're going to get this hole cleaned up, get the edges straightened out, and then we're going to start our excavation below that footing right here. And then we actually altered the location of one of the piers. We're not doing the one on the northwest corner. We're putting that third pier right here under this corner. You can see the excessive cracking on this northwest corner of the garage. So we're already at the footing there. So again, we're going to get the walls of the hole all cleaned up and everything there. And then the final one, we're getting close to being finished, is going to be right here underneath this little wing wall here. So we're going to get to the footing there. We're going to widen up this hole here, and again, you can see that separation there. So okay, we'll get that all taken care of. We should get most of the way done with all the holes probably by this afternoon. If there's anything on Monday, it'll just be to kind of clean everything up before we put the piers in the ground. So stay tuned for more updates out here in Belton. Again, we probably have another 2 days or so out here, 3 at the most. So again, stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Again, if you haven't been there before, just search for King Piers LLC. Please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And of course, you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.